Think you know resilience? Earth hides a tougher truth. Meet tardigrades, the microscopic marvels of our world. These water bears thrive in extreme conditions globally. Found from deep seas to icy mountaintops, they are everywhere. Their 8 stubby legs navigate moss and lichen. Scientifically, they belong to the phylum Tardigrada. German zoologist Johann August Ephraim Goeze described them in 1773. He called them kleiner Wasserbär, or little water bear. Their incredible survival secrets are a scientific wonder. Tardigrades are renowned for their cryptobiosis abilities. This metabolic state allows them to suspend life. One key mechanism is anhydrobiosis, surviving desiccation. They curl into a compact, dehydrated ton state. In this state, water content drops below 3%. Specific sugars like trehalose protect cell structures. Trehalose forms a glassy matrix, preventing damage. This preserves their delicate cellular machinery intact. They can remain in this ton state for decades. When water returns, they rehydrate and revive fully. The process is a biological marvel, studied intensely. Scientists observe their swift, remarkable reanimation. Understanding this could revolutionize preservation science. It offers insights for medical and food storage. Beyond desiccation, tardigrades resist radiation doses. They can withstand over 1,000 times human limits. A unique protein, DSUP damage suppressor, protects DNA. DSUP binds to DNA, shielding it from harm. This discovery has profound implications for biology. In 2007, they even survived open space vacuum. The Photon M3 mission exposed them to cosmic radiation. Many rehydrated and reproduced after returning to Earth. This makes them the only known animal to survive space. They endure pressures 6 times greater than ocean depths. Temperatures from near absolute zero to 150 degrees C are tolerated. Freezing in liquid helium, minus 272 degrees C, doesn't faze them. Their resilience pushes limits of known biology. Tardigrades offer profound lessons in biological engineering. Their tiny forms hold keys to advanced survival. Studying them could unlock human longevity secrets. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations.